I will look for you and heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights. Well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, of course, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have all retired here to the haunted mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour. We find it delightful, unlivable here in this ghost village. Every room has wall-to-wall views, and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for you, swinging wings, and they'll be expecting you. I'll see you all a little later.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Seated your tour shall resume immediately.
can harmonize. Angry ghosts come to socialize. I just want to.
And just in time, there's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.